Hi, I'm Denise. I'm an artist in Australia, and this week I have a special gift that I received, some markers from ARRTX. And so this video is a bit of a unboxing. There's a 3.6 minute ASMR. I must look up what that actually means, but I'm noticing there's quite a lot of it available. That some people like the sound of, I don't know, opening packages and all kinds of various things like pouring coffee, pouring tea, all those noises. So there is some of that at the beginning of this video that if you don't like it, you could just forward. And I am sharing about using these markers. They have a fantastic box that they come in, and they can lie horizontally. And the cool thing is, inside the box, there's a plastic grid right at the bottom with little hole pockets for each pen. So you can see that when you take one out, they don't all just fall down in their place. So I think that's very clever. So I hope you like it. And do hit the like button that supports this channel. Thank you. Bye. to put these in numerical order. They're all mixed up. There appears to be, there's 2 number 38s, so there might have been a little glitch in the system. They're quite, this way of storage is really quite cool. The box can act like a bit of a, you know, thing. You can have a bit of a tilt, which is pretty clever. So I thought I would do the swatching for you. So I won't talk because I'll have to speed this up. Well, that's interesting. It says pale blue. Definitely doesn't look pale blue to me. Looks lilac. So these are new to me, and what I'm noticing as I'm swatching is quite a number of these colours are very, very subtle, very pale, and then some you can see are a little bit brighter, but it is a pastel set, so you're not going to get strong colour, and they are alcohol markers, which I don't think I registered that in my awareness before I received them. So they behave very differently to what I'm used to in acrylic markers. But they're really quite fun for colouring in. So I'd highly recommend them for colouring in. And so I thought I'd do a little drawing and colour it in for you. Just to show you a little bit of the use of these pens. And I tucked in my 3 little ones there just for a bit of fun. Because just to sort of like remind me, just have fun, just draw messy, don't worry about it. And I put a little pussycat at the table, and I had this little drawing already sketched out in a sketchbook nearby. So that's how come I was able to just freehand draw it really fast, because I was sort of copying off something I'd already done another time. So that's how come it can be so fast. And I will speed up the drawing part, and shortly you will see the markers being used to colour them in. A little bit of information about these. There's 66 saturated colours. They're by ARRTX Oros. And the packaging is really quite elegant. The lid opens to form an angle with the box and the body of it, so that you can lie down the markers, because I noticed that storage is ideal lying them down horizontally. And there's a little plastic grid at the bottom of the box, so that holds each marker in place. So it's a really clever little system that they've got, and it even includes a leather strap over the top, so you could carry it like a little bag. There's dual tips on these pens, so I found that I got a little frustrated with that, because I actually did prefer to use the brush tip, and more often than not I was taking the lid off and there was the chisel tip. So, you know, the chisel tip would be great for larger colouring in areas. And they have one blending pen, a clear blender, and one black, and the rest are all the pastel colours. And they are full of pigment, so there's seamless blending. I didn't do a lot of blending. I think on another exercise I've done a little bit more colouring in, and I did a couple of different greens over the top of the stem, and I liked how that happened. Now you could mix the colours. And I chose to colour in messily, loosely, because that's my painting style. I was not after perfection at all. So that's what I did. I thought, let me just use these in a fun way and see how they work for me. What I've discovered is they are really fun for colouring in. If you can hit the like button, it would really help me in this channel. Thank you. I must apologise for this little section. I thought it would be so clever to set up my iPad on a book stand with the light coming in and do a different angle. But my hand is in front of the picture for the majority of this little section. But I'll just leave it on just for the fun of there's a few little changes that were made in this little section. But I very much apologise for not realising this was the most hopeless place to put the camera. But I'll know that for next time. What I noticed is using these for colouring in, there's no streakiness, so they colour in an area and you can't tell where one line starts and another big finishes, you know, like that tablecloth type thing. You can't sort of see it's all streaky, it's all nice and full. I coloured this as another little example, but I was using the wrong angle again, and so I changed the angle and thought I would just do one last little thing showing, you know, really messily colouring in with these, and just how they are, I found, wonderful for colouring in if you're in the mood for that. So if you're into colouring books, you might really enjoy these. Also, though, they do probably go through to the back of the page a little bit, so you need to put you know, maybe a sheet of plastic or something behind the page you're working on, so you might not ruin the next page. So yeah, overall I found these really quite enjoyable to use, but I think my preference is for acrylic markers because I want a messy painterly effect. I realised I wouldn't spend a lot of time colouring in. I got a bit frustrated and thought, oh, interesting, I've really grown out of this. I used to love it as a kid, but my preference would be to use paint. So that's just my personal opinion. Whilst this was not a paid promotion, I was gifted the box of markers from ARRTX, and I wanted to let you know there will be a big discount during their Black Friday sale, which begins on the 20th of November. Let me know if you enjoyed this video.